Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto RYK. Today, we're setting our sights on a true legend, the 2025 Aston Martin DB12. This grand tourer isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about savoring the journey in unparalleled style and power. So, buckle up, and let's delve into what makes this machine such a masterpiece. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning design. Aston Martin has sculpted a timeless silhouette that's both aggressive and elegant. The long hood, flowing lines, and muscular haunches all hint at the performance coiled beneath the surface. And of course, there's the iconic Aston Martin grille, instantly recognizable and guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. But the DB12's beauty extends far beyond the exterior. Climb inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin that's a haven of comfort and craftsmanship. Premium materials like supple leather and genuine wood accents create a truly bespoke feel. The redesigned instrument cluster offers a perfect blend of classic gauges and a modern digital display. They've also incorporated a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that boasts intuitive controls and keeps you connected on the go. Now, let's get to the exciting part, performance. The DB12 packs a serious punch under the hood. We're talking about a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that churns out a whopping 671 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That translates to a thrilling 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.6 seconds and a top speed that'll leave you breathless. But it's not just about raw power. Aston Martin has also focused on refined handling. The DB12 corners with precision and grace, thanks to its advanced suspension system and a near-perfect weight distribution. It's a car that inspires confidence on the road, whether you're cruising along a highway or carving up canyon curves. The DB12 doesn't just compete, it stands out. Compared to rivals like the Bentley Continental GT, the DB12 offers a more modern and driver-focused experience. It also boasts a significant power advantage, making it a true performer on the open road. The 2025 Aston Martin DB12 is for those who appreciate the finer things in life. It's for those who crave a car that's not just a means of transportation, but an extension of their personality. It's for those who demand a blend of exhilarating performance, unparalleled luxury, and timeless design. So, if you're looking for a car that delivers an unforgettable driving experience, the 2025 Aston Martin DB12 deserves a serious look. It's a true automotive masterpiece, and one that will surely turn your everyday drives into extraordinary adventures. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the DB12, and let us know what other iconic cars you'd like to see us explore next time. Until then, happy motoring.